Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. Right now, I have a trade here in Maruti. So pretty much textbook kind of setup, which means you have the resistances working as a support, like what you see in here. You have the resistance responding back as support, resistance responding back as support, resistance responding back as support. Price is seen as is struggling on this support level. So the entry is made on this support layer here. So it was not a tough entry, resistance, breakout, pullback. We got into this trade in here. And then here is the entry, 6981. And the stop loss, as you know, the stop loss is placed based on the key layer. So the stop loss was placed now below this key layer. And then later on we trail the stop loss below this one, since the idea was on the latest flip support for the first time, and the breakdown of this layer should be signaling us a change of existing order flows. By the way, if you're not in this channel, just come in. I'll put a link in the description so you can join in for these updates. So finally, after this struggle, so our stop loss was trailed from here to here below this key layer here. So it was around 85 layer, and it was 85, right? Yeah, it was around 85 layer over there. And now we see the price was able to clear that way, that resistance here. It was able to go through that resistance. And now we should be seeing prices, trading above this one, this resistance actually, for the price to sustain. Now we have one option that we can now trail the stop loss right below this 7008 key layer. So maybe around 7000 should be our stop loss. But actually, I don't want to do that. I want to ride a big move in this. So I'm not going to trail my stop loss right below this key layer. I am going to keep my stop loss where it was before actually. So this was 85, will remain as my stop loss yet. Let's see, once we break through this resistance here, then maybe we can trail stop loss a bit higher. But for now, I want to keep my stop loss a bit far, since I'm targeting around 7050 around. So I want to give some more breathing room in this. I don't want to play this with so much aggression for now. All right, so far, if we exit right away, the stop loss was previously for around 12 points. We had a stop loss. The entry was around 6980, and the stop loss was 6969. 6981 was the entry, 6969 was the stop loss. And so far we made a high of 7017. So it's some more than, I think, 1:3 in this we're still making. But if I hit my stop loss right away over here, 1685, then I won't be making anything actually. After cutting the brokerages and taxes, it will be almost cost to cost. So I'm leaving my 3 times gain to ride a momentum of 6 to 7 hour, in this. So that's the thing. I think the beginner traders, they are not able to adjust. They are not able to digest that part. That why we are supposed to exit the trade. Why we are not supposed to exit the trade right away, since we are making good money. Because if you keep thinking that way, then how will you make money of 10 times of your risk? Maybe in out of 20 trades, 1 or 2 trades can hit your target of 10 times of your risk in one way, one shot. But other 18 to 19 times, it won't happen. It will be swinging and going. So if you always keep placing your stop loss with a very much tight kind of thing, then you won't be able to ride the market big, in that sense. So let's see how it goes away. Okay, now I want to trail the stop loss below this. This bounce is enough for me to trail the stop loss. So now I'll be placing the stop loss. Yeah, I think 6998 is enough for me. Oh, a few points below this. No. So 6998, 6997 is enough for me. If it breaks the 699897, we will go out. This is crucial. I think this is the similar kind of video I have covered in Tata Steel, maybe the last one, hopefully. So I did the similar thing, if you see, on the edge of the breakout, you know. All right, so I'll see you guys on this trade later on. Thank you. Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So right now you can see the stock we've been trading is going smoothly, pretty much making the high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows. So everything is good. Right now I'm hitting the target actually. So around here I see some resistance areas. All right, so I'm exiting this trade right over here. So that's a gain of around 5R in this trade, 5 times of what we had risk in this trade. Very smooth momentum, and so forth. We can actually hold it and keep on trailing our stop losses. But since I won't be really able to manage this trade anymore right now, I need to leave. So I'm just leaving this trade right over here. Otherwise, we should be riding this trend as far as possible. Everything is smooth. Everything is intact so far. Yeah, that's it. Thank you from this trade. I'll see you guys with a new video. Thank you.